Welcome to the Cooler Report. I'm going ahead to introduce our newest products, the core makers on my right hand. And for the units, it's about like a 90 core, like a 90 liters units. Let's take a measurement for overall sizes first. For the unit's entire length, about like a 73 inches long. And the overall height, they are about like 39 inches tall. And for this side, it's about like a 24 inches wide. For this tray, let's take a measurement too. The tray size about like a 25.5 inches wide. And about the 7 inches deep. And the 40 inches long. So as you can see the units, we have controllers at the bottoms. This is a power switchers. And this is a motor speed adjusters. And this is a power switch, like for fire up the burners. And for the top of the lids, they do have a lockers on the other side. You can take a wheel when you're cooking the cat corns inside. And the other side, they have a handles. When you finish cook, you can move it away. And these handlebars, you can just lead the units up to pull out all the cat corns. And the other side, for the units, we have a small trays right here. And the manufacturers, they're offering 2 measuring cups and the 1 spoon, 1 shelves. And they also for the motors, they have adapters right here. They're using the power about like a 110s to the 240s. This is the adapters. And also at the front, this have 2 dust trays. You can just take out it and clean it. This side too. That's will be all information about the units. If you have more detailed questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.